It's your girl Tay, and today is day 4 of Vlogmas, and today we're working on packing up the kitchen. I've done 3 boxes and then I was like, oh my gosh, let me record. Okay, now we're on my last box that I have right now because we have to go get more boxes. Still more stuff, more dishes that I need to pack, but we're out of boxes, and so I'm gonna tell my mom we need more boxes, so we're out of boxes. Okay, so this is the end of Vlogmas. We ended up taking 2 loads to the house today, and I did a little before in my room, and I might add that, or actually I'm not gonna add that because it's a surprise. And thank you for coming and seeing today's Vlogmas. And I hope you guys have an amazing day and come back for day 5.